Hey everyone, welcome to the fourth and last video of Python functions. In this video I will talk about Lambda functions, which is also known as anonymous functions in Python. The Lambda operator or the Lambda functions is used for creating small and one-time or anonymous function object in Python. As you can see, the basic syntax of a Lambda function is first of all the lambda, then arguments. You can give one or more than one arguments here, and the expressions. The expressions can not be more than one. Okay, it's only one. Lambda operator can have any number of arguments, but it can only have one expressions. Let's learn lambda practically. If you want to do addition of two numbers or two variables, the standard way to define a function and do that is this. But if you want to do that with lambda, let's say add 2 is equals to lambda keyword, then the arguments which are a, b, and then the return value. Whatever we want to return, we will write it here, a plus b. The arguments are a and b, and it will return a plus b. Let's call it print add 2 4 5. As you can see, 9 both times, first time with normally and second time with lambda. So lambda is just one line code. It's very simple and easy, but it can't print anything. It can only return value. Let's see another example. The another example of lambda is if else. This is the normal way to find maximum number from two numbers. If a is greater than b, then return a, else return b. So simple. Let's run this. It will return 9. Okay, so how you can do this with lambda? It's also simple, like mx2 equals to lambda, which is again a keyword, then the arguments which are a and b, or you can name it anything, and then what if we want to do with it. In here, a, if a greater than b, else b, which means if a is greater than b, then return a, else return b. First of all the return value of if, then the condition of if, then else, and the return value of else. Make sure that you are returning first, then adding conditions, then again print max2 and 30 40. The 40 is bigger. Okay, it is also easy, simple if and else, but with lambda it's also helpful thing. Let's move to the next topic, which is map. What map does is it's also a built-in function, and it take a function and a list, and what it will do is whatever the condition of the function is, it will apply it to all of the items inside a list. Let's see a normal program for it. Okay, define square of list 1. We will pass a list here, then we are creating a new list, and for each number in list 1, it will append inside list 2 and do its square root. then it will return the list 2, which is square root of everything inside the list 1. So we are printing it and passing 4 3 2 1. So let's run this. As you can see, 16 9 4 1, which is root of all of this. So by lambda and using the map function, you can do it easily like this. See, list is equals to lambda keyword, then map, then as you can see, function's name. First of all, function, sorry, then map of lambda x root square root, and then here list 2. Let's create list 2 equals to 4 3 2 1, then print list. Let's run this. Map object at, okay, sorry, the map object is a list, so list, and inside it this. Okay, as you can see, 6941, which is the normal way, and this is by mapping. So if you want to do same thing on all of the numbers inside a list, you can do it with mapping. If you want to add 1 in all of the numbers, then it will add 1 5 4 3 2. It's so simple to use a map. It takes a function, lambda function, as its first parameter and a list as second. Let's move to the next topic. The next topic is filter. As the name says, it filters something. It is used in when you want to apply same condition on everything inside a list. Again, it's like map, but map changes the value. It can change the value. Let's see, if you want to find out or differentiate the number that are bigger than 2 from list 1, then the simple normal code will be this. It's very hard, but I wrote a simple line here. X for x in list 1, if x greater than 2, means if x greater than 2 in x inside list 1, means everything inside list 1, if it is greater than 2, it will go inside the list 2 and it will return the list 2. And we are passing the list this, so 3 and 4 is bigger than 2, as we know, then it will be returned by this function. Okay, as you can see, 3 and 4. So how you can do it with lambda? It's also simple. Let's take a list again, 5 6 1 2. Okay, then print list, then filter. Here list and filter both are again function, which are built-in function. Then filter takes two parameters. First one is function. Here we are taking lambda x greater than 2, which is a condition, and then a list as map takes. What it is saying, if the condition matches, then print it. It will print a list which will take value from n. If it will let's watch the condition. If it's greater than 2, then it will print the list. So here it will print 5 and 6. Let's run this. 5 and 6, which are both are greater than 2. So that's how filter works. It's so simple, only one line code. That's it for this video. If you liked it, leave a like, and if it helped you, subscribe.